guys, today we're going to do some upgrades on the Meepo board. We're going to be upgrading the American Meepo V3 with 100mm wheels, and we're going to upgrade the bearings to the Bone Super Swiss 6. So, but before we do that, you know what I think we got to really do? So we're going to set this thing down. We have to go on a speed test just for today. True speed test today, before, after the upgrade. See if we get any increased speed. My guess is that we will most definitely have it. Make this thing possible so we can hurry up and get on some jet skis. Ah man, it's been an exciting road with all of these skateboards. And again, thanks to Nick and to Royal Flesh Tattoo and Piercing at Irving Park and Broadway for making these videos happen. None of these videos would have been possible at all without the help of Nick and Royal Flesh Tattoo and Piercing. Okay? And so a big shout out to them. Super grateful, and man, I'm really, really pleased about that. And if you're looking for a tattoo or if you're looking for a piercing, this is a place to get it done. These guys are great. They're professional. They are hands down some of the best artists in the city. No, you just gotta rock it off. Whew, you got it.
Yeah, easy test, children. Ask your father if you don't have the grip strength, okay? If you don't have a dad, I ask your mom.
And if you're a little kid watching this, you're really not in the right place. I'm a bad influence. Which one are you going to take? The all-wheel drive. So that's pretty well. Let's go test it out. We gotta go. And we're going to go jet skiing. It's going to be a blast. So, here we go. Alright. So we're good to go. Now we're just going to go ahead. And we're going to do the speed test. But I need to get a feel for the board to see. Adjust my truck. How do I feel? Oh, they actually are pretty good. That feels nice. Actually, I think so. Yeah. So we're good. Whew. And Nick's going to be riding this one. And we got our protective gear on in case we crash. No, because we're going to go jet skiing. We'll take you with too. Why not? And so, yeah, you got the 100mm wheels on the skateboard. It feels like a smoother ride. Not sure if it was any faster. We'll judge that. You want to see how fast this thing can go? But this water is pretty rough. Yeah, let's whip over there real quick. Alright guys. Alright guys, how was that for a speed test? Hopefully you liked it. Anyway, I'm putting you away so I don't lose you. But yes. Hey. Now I hope you feel confident in putting on your own. You're upgrading your V3 with 100mm wheels. It was really simple, easy to do, anyone could do it. Changing out the bearings in the front was really awesome. And yeah, I'm gonna go play. I'm gonna go have more fun in the water. And then I'm gonna go get some dinner. But this video is done. So if you haven't already, please subscribe. If you like this type of video, if you like adventure type stuff, if you just wanna like really just have fun with your life, hey, I have a few more years yet to live, maybe a couple more days, who knows? But until I am out of here, off this planet, I will be bringing you exciting content. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.